Hey there, fellow content creators. Today, I'm going to spill the beans on how to boost your views and grow your channel on YouTube. So grab your notepads and let's dive in. 1. Quality content is key. First things first, folks. No amount of tricks or strategies will work if your content isn't engaging and valuable. Take the time to plan, script, and produce high-quality videos that your audience will love. 2. Know your audience. Understanding your audience is crucial. Research what they're interested in, their demographics, and their viewing habits. Tailor your content to meet their needs and preferences. 3. Optimize your metadata. Metadata is your best friend on YouTube. Make sure your titles, descriptions, and tags are optimized with relevant keywords. This will help your videos rank higher in search results and attract more viewers. 4. Eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails are like the cover of a book. They can make or break your video's success. Create visually appealing thumbnails that grab attention and accurately represent your content. Don't forget to A/B test to see what works best. 5. Engage with your audience. Building a community around your channel is essential. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to subscribe and share your content. The more engaged your audience, the more likely they'll come back for more. 6. Collaborate with others. Collaboration is a powerful way to expand your reach on YouTube. Partner with other creators in your niche to cross-promote each other's content and tap into each other's audiences. 7. Promote your videos. Don't rely solely on YouTube's algorithm to promote your videos. Share them across your social media channels, embed them on your website, and consider running targeted advertising campaigns to reach new viewers. 8. Analyze and adapt. Lastly, keep an eye on your analytics. Pay attention to what's working and what's not. Experiment with different strategies and be willing to adapt based on the data. Continuous improvement is the key to long-term success on YouTube. And there you have it, folks. By following these tips and putting in the effort, you'll be well on your way to getting more views and growing your YouTube channel. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, but with persistence and dedication, you can achieve your goals. Now go out there and create some amazing content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay awesome.